So Teckin have a new camera out, this little baby here. This is the TC100 and it costs, at the time of making this video, just under £20. So it's not going to be fantastic, you know, because it's only 20 quid or just under. So let's have a quick look at the old spec. So it's a 1080 full HD. It has a night vision, cloud storage, I will not be using cloud storage, app control, two-way audio and motion detection. Let's have a quick look. So it shows you it does two different apps. So Amazon Alexa and Google Assist, just in case they're listening. And a couple of Q codes depending on what operating system you are using on your mobile device, Android, iOS, which is handy, and that's about it. And some information on the back, some specification. I'm not going to read anything out on the back, I'm just going to tell you it's got 12-month warranty. So with that, let's get it open. Quick guide, I'll probably read that a bit later. What is it, how many languages? Looks like it's in a couple of different languages. Yep, so I will read that later. Hopefully it won't be too difficult to set up. Let's see what you actually get in the box. So this will be the camera itself. Right, let's have a quick look around it then. So it takes a little SD card in now. You can put this on here or on there, and you plug in your power cable in there. And it looks like it has a little reset button. And looks like a speaker there. So speaker there, I'm guessing microphone now, and sensor. Probably sensor, microphone at a guess. And it's extremely light. It is very light. So yeah, perfect. And you can turn it at any angle. That's really good. Well, hopefully it's really good. So let's see what else is in the box. Move that out of the way. So you have a USB lead, which we knew was going to get, or was hoping we was going to get. Oh, something else in there. Ah, some sticky. Ideal. Perfect. So some sticky for sticking it down. So if you want to stick it to something, you can just plonk it on. Because that is really light, so it should be ideal for sticking it up onto something or underneath something. There you go. 3 M's. So yeah, so that would just sit on there like that. Perfect. USB, hopefully it's nice and long. Oh, it is. Oh, that's very long. That's a good length. I'm going to quickly measure that up right now. Approximately 1.5 meters, approximately. So this would be the plug. I've got a few of these plugs, but I've got another one there. Yes. So here's the plug. That will just pop out like that. Put your USB in there, and plug that in there, and then charge her up. That might be an on-off actually. Right, let's get it powered up and let's see how easy it is to set up. Right, I've got my Q code ready. Let's have a go. I don't want the iOS. Cover that over. Oh, that was easy. There it is, that baby there. Add device, camera, plus, camera, red light, plug her in. Oh, we have a red light. Red light's not flashing though. Wait for it to flash. Right, it's flashing. Oops. Oh, I'll go back. Password. Got to put my password in. Give me a second, people. Done that. Scan the Q code. Oh. Right, it's flashing white. It says green, but it's flashing white, so I'm going to go next. See what happens. Now, if it doesn't work, it could... Oh, it done it. That was easy. Right, now you can give it a name. Studio. Yeah. Studio 1. No, just Studio. Right, so that, oh, it is all set up already. That is really fast and so easy to do. Look at that. So what we've got, we can talk. We might get feedback if I start talking, especially if I press the mute button. Testing, testing. Allow, oh, got to allow. Testing, testing. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Mute that. Hello? Oh yeah, it works. Hello? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that worked really easy. A lot easier than I thought it was going to work. So you have photos, talking, recording, photography and mute. We have mute on at the moment. Can't believe how easy that was. And quality, that's a light there, by the way. Let's have a look at my keyboard. My keyboard is dirty. You can change this around. How do I change it around? Is it that? There you go. That's good. I like it like that. So it hasn't got a memory card in it at the moment. Well, we'll be testing it just to make sure it works okay. But there's a little bit of lag there, but you know, you've got to expect that anyway. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Camera looking at my phone. Doesn't like that, does it? Confuses it. My speaker. Picture quality, I would say, yeah, not bad, not bad. Don't forget, this is just under £20 when I bought it. Bit of word in there, might be a little bit too close. It's got a bit out of focus. Yeah, Teckin. That's nice and clear, isn't it? Let's have a look at me. That is pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that. It has motion detection as well, as far as I understand. So what else can we do? Mute's on, photography, obviously you can do recording. Let's go into settings, I'm assuming that's settings. So we have general settings, audio, camera on off, LED indicator. We've got indicator to tell. You can turn the indicator off, that's quite clever. Synchronized time, motion detection, there you go. Sound detection, sharing camera, so it means other people can log into it, and storage. Let's have a look at storage, format SD card, no SD card in there, or you can go on to cloud. So yeah, very impressed at the moment. I will have a look, play about a bit first, but very impressed. Don't forget you can connect it to She Who Shall Not Be Named, Alexa, and Google Assist. So yeah, very good. IP, MAC address, firmware, blah blah blah. I'm not going to show you all this, I'm going to blow all this out. So that's general, audio, video, rotate image, okay. Night vision is on auto, so when it gets dark it should come on automatically. Hopefully, actually, let's try that out now because it is quite dark anyway. Not dark, but it is quite dark. Let's see if that works. It's on automatic. I'm going to turn my lights off and see if it comes on. And that is at night, or that is in the dark. Yeah, so that is night vision, and that is nice and clear. I'm going to go and play about with it. Give me a second. Did you see that? So yeah, that is not bad. That is better than I thought it was going to be. Right, so I'm going to have a little play about with it, see how I get on with it, and I will get back to you. Right, I stuck a 32GB memory card into the camera itself, and I put it on a loop so it's constantly recording, and it records in 5-minute segments at a time, but when it gets to the end of the memory card it will loop round and start all over again, deleting the very first one. As you can see, video quality I thought was very good. The lag is minimal, and that's probably one of the best ones I've seen so far for the price range anyway. Lag is very minimal, and colours are pretty accurate as well. Again, something I really do enjoy, having accurate colours. It worked extremely well, and it was extremely easy to set up. Also, I took a segment from my nighttime vision or nighttime recording. As you can see, again, it is nice and clear. You have to bear in mind it's in black and white because it's night vision. It's only a budget camera, but again, it is very good. And the other thing I liked about it, you can turn the light off. If you find a little light that's on the front of the camera a little bit annoying, you can actually just turn that off and it will carry on working regardless. So I quite like that. Navigation on the menu, again, one of the things that I really enjoyed, I thought was excellent. Really easy to navigate, really easy to find your way about and find, you know, anything you needed to adjust or do. You know, it was brilliant. For the amount of money you paid, or I paid, it is excellent. Definitely gives my thumbs up. I am well impressed with it, and yeah, I'm glad I've done a review on it. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.